Ready to unleash the power of two e-commerce giants by linking your Shopify store with Amazon, boosting your sales and skyrocketing your brand's visibility. First, log into your Shopify Admin panel, the control center of your online empire. Next, navigate to the Apps section, which is usually located on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find the tools to connect Shopify with the outside world. Now, click on Recommended Apps or visit the Shopify App Store and search for an Amazon integration app. There are several options, like Amazon by Codisto or Sellbrite, so pick the one that best suits your needs and budget. Once you've found your chosen app, click on it and then click the Install App button. Shopify will then ask you to confirm the installation and grant the app access to your store's data. Don't worry, this is necessary for the integration to work. Now, the app will redirect you to its setup page here. You'll need to connect your Amazon Seller Central account. Follow the app's instructions carefully. You'll typically need your Amazon Seller ID and MWS authorization token, which you can find within your Amazon Seller Central account settings. Once your accounts are linked, you can start synchronizing your product listings. The app will guide you through mapping your Shopify products to Amazon listings or creating new listings on Amazon. Pay attention to categories, descriptions, and pricing to ensure consistency. A key benefit of this integration is inventory management. The app should automatically sync your inventory levels between Shopify and Amazon, preventing overselling and keeping your stock accurate. Double-check these settings to avoid any mishaps. Finally, test the integration by placing a test order on Amazon. You should see the order appear in your Shopify admin panel, allowing you to fulfill it seamlessly. Now you're ready to supercharge your e-commerce sales.